Hello everyone, it's Vin DeBona here, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to swap pickguards with my Quick Connect system. As you can see on the left, we have an attached white pickguard, and on the right is a detached pickguard. This is the one that's going to be installed. You will notice that there are two wires coming off of the pickguard. There's a red one that's attached to lug 2 of the volume pot, and the black one is the ground also. You can see that on the base of the guitar is my quick connector. This red wire here is the hot lead that's coming off of the output jack. A little bit more difficult to see. I have a black and blue wire that's going into this side of the connector, which represent the grounds. The black one comes from the output jack, and the blue one comes from the trem claw ground. If I had a ground to the body, that would also be plugged into this other terminal here as well. But releasing the existing pickguard is as simple as unscrewing these two screws. And the pickguard simply gets taken away. Installing the pickguard, the new one, is as simple as take the black ground wire, insert it into the terminal, screw it down, install the second one, screw it down as well, put everything back together, and bolt it down, and you're good to go.